Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is VIVOHOME Mig Welder. This welding machine is a true heavy-duty machine, making it a great choice for all welding application. This unit is made from high-quality materials, making it extremely durable. At its highest setting, this portable flux core wire welder runs for around 2 minutes per 10-minute on cycle. That's average welder. It runs on 115V power, which means a 15 amp house breaker will supply you with more than enough power to weld up to 1/4 inch steel. The VIVOHOME Mig Welder is designed with the highest quality materials, including stainless steel, and is painted with a powder-coated finish that helps prevent corrosion, rust, and general wear and tear. Comes with 10-speed adjustability for a variety of cutting needs, and 4 current flow settings from min to 1 to 2 to max, making this cutter versatile enough to handle a variety of different materials. The built-in storage space on top of the welding machine can conveniently store small widgets, nails, and screws. This welding machine is equipped with 2 air vents that help dissipate heat and reduce operating temperatures. Lightweight and compact design, with a comfortable hand grip that makes it easy to carry wherever you want. It only weighs 34.6 pounds, so you can effortlessly take it as far as you can. Our second best portable welder is Forney Easy Weld 261. This is a mid-level welder with professional bones. It impressed me with its beefy 140 amp power cycle. It can weld up to 1/4 inch steel. The welder is easy to set up and the build quality seemed good. The Forney 140 welder is an impressive flux core capable welder. Easy to use 140 FCI Mig machine uses 0.30 flux core wire. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control, so you can dial in the perfect weld. Powerful up to 140 amp output that allows you to weld mild steel up to 1/4 in plate. Lightweight 19 pounds, easily carried to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist project. All metal case, built to take the day-to-day. Big enough to handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. The Forney 140 welder is an impressive flux core capable welder. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Primeweld Welder. The Primeweld TIG 225X is a versatile, full-featured AC and DC TIG welder with an awful lot of features for its price range. This welder features a 100% duty cycle at 108 amps. This means you can weld continuously on 1/8 inch steel plate. Externally, the machine is well made. All parts like corner brackets fit properly, the pots or knobs are tight and have slight resistance for a positive feel when turning, and the switches are held in place tightly. This Primeweld TIG 225X has been carefully made and adjusted to fit today's modern welder. This unit features 225 amps of AC and DC TIG welding with stick function, allowing both the professional and hobby welder a wide range of uses. Power width modulation along with IGBT technology design gives this machine the most reliability. High performance on both 110V and on 220V with a full range of pulse features and cleaning control for AC. These options allow the best versatility in a welder in this price range that is available on the market today. This unit comes with a CK17 flex head torch along with CK flex tubing and CK DINS connector. High quality metal foot pedal control is also supplied for ease of use. Number 4 in our side is HITBOX MA Welder. The HITBOX Arc Welder will help you take care of most home projects. This makes it an ideal tool when you want something to take care of the big repair or have various projects you want to complete. This welder performs amazing power from a small light machine. With 10 to 190A welding range, dual voltage 110 volts 220 volts, HITBOX stick welder is easy to strike an arc with little spatter, stable current, and good performance. This welder features a easy carrying handle and compact design, easy for translation and storage. The weld machine has a rated duty cycle of 60%. With this feature, it will protect you and your welder from any long-lasting damage. HITBOX offers a good warranty. We can help you to fix it, and we have agent in the United States. Our agent will repair it for you. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best portable welder list is S7ARC200 welding machine. This welding machine is a true heavy-duty machine, making it a great choice for all welding application. This unit is made from high-quality materials, making it extremely durable. Excellent little welder. If you used one rod after another and so on, and it just keeps performing. Great penetration and impeccable duty cycle. Whole day welding is no problem. Energy-saving design. It is applicable for welding all kinds of ferrous metals such as carbon steel, medium carbon steel and alloy steel amongst others. Portable size but big power. It's not just a welding machine but a work of art. Suitable for welding stainless steel, mild steel and other metal materials. Arc welding machine is easy to use. Beginner can also operate well. Overheating protection, over voltage protection, over current protection. The welding voltage can be continue adjusting to exactly match welding current. Mini size but big power. It's not just a welding machine but a work of art. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.